God, YouTube, it's already this time of the year. Too cold. Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. Gonna start putting out more videos slowly. Notice this is probably gonna be way weeks in advance, but behind. Putting out 2 videos a week again. It's just a little too hard to be doing 4 a week. I'm just not producing enough content. Well, I guess I could put out 4 videos a week, but I don't want to be putting out crappy videos, right? So the 2 videos a week are going to be better work than what I was doing before, so hopefully you all enjoy that. There's videos that I have on here, on my laptop, everywhere, that I have to go through and sort through. And anyway, I'm sure you all don't want to hear my little rambling speech, because there's plenty of YouTubers that do that. So the Can-Am's Traveler winch snapped. Now that winch is not going to go to waste. I am going to end up rebuilding it, I believe. So that's going to get rebuilt, but I figured for something like this, a worn winch would have been a little nicer, a little bit more quality. And the Brute Force 750, which I still have, that will end up with a winch as well. It's going to be a worn winch for sure. From everything that I've seen, the worn winches just hold up way better. Yeah. So we're going to unbox this. I'm sure there's 100 of these unboxings on YouTube. But let's make it 101. It's built in America. America. Oh yeah. 3,500 pounds, 50-foot cable, which is nice. 732 steel rope. Let's see the difference. Let's really open this up and get into it. Okay. Wow, look at that. It's way nicer than the Traveler winch so far. God. Ooh, man. Now, the cables do look similar, but you can definitely, right, this is definitely a big difference between the two. You can just feel the quality with this one. Smells nice and like some transmission fluid. It's a good smell. Let's see what else it came with. I honestly had no idea what it was actually going to come with either. Oh, okay. Wow, these cables actually look heavy duty too, compared to the ones that were on there. Definitely going to be replacing that. Oh yeah. I'm liking what I see so far. I'm definitely liking. It's probably going to take me a few days to do all this because, well, maybe I'll get it all done tonight. I don't know. I just don't want to rush it. We'll probably get the Traveler winch unhooked and out of there. Plenty of cable. Oh yeah. I think I'm actually going to wrap it up too. Oh, even the button. Yeah, that's way nicer. Now I'm not putting I don't want to put the Traveler winch down either. Let's be real here. For 150 bucks, you get a 3,500 pound winch versus I paid 330 or 320 or 330 for this. This is the VRX 35, which I'm definitely not. What's a good way to put it? With the amount I ended up using this winch this year, it paid for itself. Put it that way. But this is the unboxing of this winch, and I guess the next clip is really it's going to be of me installing all this. Let me kind of situate some of this, see what's going to be going where, and etc. Okay, we've got all of our connectors here. We've got more connectors. Definitely lots of connectors. But Warren has that reputation already of being a pretty unstoppable winch. Part of the reason why I wanted a Warren winch. I needed something that was truly going to be reliable. And this looks like it will be. Nice, look at that. That's sick looking. I probably could just use the wires that are there already. Save me the time. And just hook this all up. But I don't know if I want to do that. I prefer to use all the wires they gave me. Oh, and that's right. One wire is too short anyway. Yeah, this will work out. These are labeled. Like a lot of this is already labeled. Like they made it pretty damn easy, honestly. This is the power that needs to go to the switch. None of that's labeled, but we'll figure all this out. Yeah, I guess next. I gotta see if the holes that are there are gonna work with this, or if I'm gonna have to rip all the plastics off to do a lot of this. Hopefully not. Hopefully we can get it done. That's the only thing. I might have to take all these plastics off, but we'll see. Stay tuned, YouTube. Let's see what we can get done today. She's definitely holding up well, though. Go ahead. Look at that. Oh yeah. All right, YouTube. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So I have a mess to clean up. It's getting pretty chilly, but take a look. The Warren winch is on. She is on. And oh boy, the lens is a little dirty. Sorry about that. So one thing I took the time to do, I had to do a full coolant flush on it. Unfortunately, the way I designed it, you know, where I put the holes for the radiator relocation kit, I didn't really think about the fact that I'd have to, in order to get underneath here, I'd have to flush out the coolant each time. But in a way, it's kind of good. I don't ever want to have any overheating problems with this, so I guess the more it gets flushed out, you know, at this point it's getting flushed out about every 6 months, because that's usually when I go through it, so it kind of works out at the end of the day. Just a little bit of a extra hassle. Let's see, so some things I was working on. The license plate bracket on here broke, so I'm gonna end up shaving off the rest of what's left. And I just bought a Targa license plate holder that's gonna be mounted right underneath, which should look pretty nice, I think, hopefully. Yeah, so that'll be getting mounted on there, and it'll be nice and flush, kind of hide the license plate away. What else did I end up doing? Yeah, the winch works great. I'll show you all. I mounted everything under here, so if I have to get to it, I'm able to, which is nice. Did this all get mounted? Oh yeah, it did. Okay. Just making sure. Recheck all my work. Hey, there's always stuff you end up missing, even if you look it over 100 times, but I was able to fix these lights as well. The switch is just a little finicky, so that's good to go now too. And yeah, I'm about to start using it for some work now. We got a bunch of wood I gotta move, so let's get to it. Stay tuned, YouTube. Diesel Dan Peters signing out for now.